What is up? My name is Gene Darden with the Real Brokerage and the Southern Realty Specialist team, and I've got something exciting to bring you today. It's a beautiful listing. 5660 10th Avenue South, convenient to everything, heart of Birmingham, close to UAB, beautiful neighborhood, everything's immaculate. Obviously, it's a sought after place. You can see the outside is done immaculately. You have a beautiful large front and backyard that's nice and flat and usable, but the one thing I love is this thing's been completely redone. They've kept all the old charm in it while adding those new modern conveniences that you love. Let's start with the kitchen. Beautiful granite tops, gas cooktop, beautiful backsplash. Features are A+. You got a nice little bar area on the side, huge laundry room, and actually like in this laundry room, which was really cool, you got plenty of space. They actually kept their pups in here too while they were gone to work for the day, so that's like an added little feature for you. It's got really large bedrooms, and let me show you some of the modern conveniences we've added. So as you can see, we got the hardwoods throughout that really add some nice pop to it. And as you go in here, here's a nice big large master. I love these big huge picture windows. It's full of natural light, which is super awesome. And when you roll into the master bath, you got big pretty tile, granite tops again, walk-in shower that's done to perfection, and a nice walk-in closet. Hey, by the way, this is a 360 video, so you can swipe around, do whatever. It's just like you're here with me. You got a full field of view. You can swipe on your computer. If you're watching on an iPad, you can move it around and get the full field of view. You name it, we got it. We do it for you, so you basically like a virtual showing. But if you really want to see it, then call me, Gene Darden, 205-426-1113. I will get you out here and show it ASAP. And if you love it, then let's write it up. All right, so let's go to the other bedrooms. Here we go. So as we walk in here again, I told you it's nice and big. Large bedrooms, again, beautiful natural light. And then this third bedroom, he was actually using as an office. And it was nice to have this big office here because you're overlooking, through this picture, when you're overlooking your big, huge yard. So I'm about to take you and show you that big, huge yard and a few other features of this house that you are going to love. So let's walk out there and check it out. Hey, while you're at it, if you don't mind, subscribe and share this. If it's not for you, but maybe you got some friends who would love it, I'd love if you subscribe. If you like this video, share it with your friends. Let's get the word out because this house is beautiful. It's gonna be a blessing for somebody. So check it out. You got a big, huge built-in deck, which is really nice to sit out and relax. You got a little side courtyard just in case you need it, another added feature. And as we walk down, as you can see, if you like to entertain, this is A+ for you. You got a big, huge concrete patio, nice stonework, places to have a nice little garden, and you have a basement that's got plenty of space for storage. It's nice and dry area. You can use it as a workshop, storage, you name it, whatever you need, it's perfect. And look at this big, beautiful backyard. All the space you need to relax and enjoy life. So again, 5660 10th Avenue South, Birmingham, Alabama. My name is Gene Darden, and I would love to show you this home and sell it, and I sure appreciate you watching this video. All right, I'm out. Have a blessed one. See ya.